Your engine is a breathing machine. It inhales air and burns fuel. But how does it know exactly how much fuel to inject? It relies on a tiny, fragile component called the mass airflow sensor, or MAF. And right now, yours is probably lying to your computer. When this sensor is clean, it counts every molecule of air entering your engine with extreme precision. The computer matches that air with the perfect amount of fuel for maximum power and efficiency. But over time, microscopic particles of dust, oil, and pollen slip past your air filter. They bake onto the sensor's hot wire, creating an insulating layer of grime. Think of it like wearing dirty glasses. You can still see, but everything is blurry. When your MAF sensor is dirty, it underestimates the airflow. Your engine computer gets confused. It might run too lean, causing hesitation, or it might overcompensate and dump extra fuel to be safe. The result? A rough idle, sluggish acceleration and a noticeable drop in gas mileage. The good news is that you don't need to be a master mechanic to fix this. You just need a screwdriver and a can of specific mass airflow sensor cleaner. Do not use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. Those are too harsh and can melt the sensitive plastics or destroy the coating on the wire. Locate the sensor on the air intake tube, usually right after the air filter box. Unplug the connector and unscrew it. Once it's out, never touch the wires with your fingers or a rag. Just spray the cleaner liberally over the sensor wires from all angles. You'll see the grime drip away. Let it air dry completely for about 10 minutes. The solvent evaporates quickly, leaving zero residue. Reinstall the sensor, plug it back in, and start your car. You might notice a smoother idle immediately. Over the next tank of gas, watch your mileage creep back up to where it should be. It's the best 5-minute investment you can make for your car.